Don't underestimate the power of score a math victory. Hello my dear students, welcome to Score a Math Victory, online web-based video learning for mathematics. Mr. Max, so excited to see you here at Math Victory virtual classroom. And here you are, you want to learn mathematics. And I'm challenged because you came here with a purpose, to learn and to enrich yourself with knowledge on mathematics. With that in mind, Mr. Mac have pledged only to bring the best for you, because you are the best and you deserve the best, and it's coming from the best. Well, my dear students, let's go to the virtual classroom board and talk about things that we're going to learn, all the sub-lessons that you'll be learning in this lesson. Are you ready? Let's go to the classroom. Wow, this is our Math Victory virtual classroom. Come on closer, you can see better. Come on over. Much better, Mr. Mac can see, my dear students. Well, my dear students, in this lesson, we're going to learn about directed numbers. Directed numbers consist of 6 sub-lessons. Sub-lesson 1, introduction, which you're seeing right now. And then we'll go to sub-lesson 2, which we'll learn about multiplication and division of integers. We're going to deal with positive and negative integers. And then sub-lesson 3, we're going to have combined operation of integers. We're going to have addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, all combined. And then we'll go to sub-lesson 4, we're going to have positive and negative fractions. And then sub-lesson 5, positive and negative decimals. And finally, we'll go to sub-lesson 6, when we're going to deal with computation involving direct numbers. So we're going to have integers and fractions and decimals all combined. At the end of the lesson, you should be able to carry out multiplication and division that involve positive and negative integers. You should be able to solve combined operation of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division involving positive and negative integers. And you should be able to solve problems involving positive and negative fractions. You should be able to solve problems involving positive and negative decimals. And finally, you should be able to solve problems that involve directed numbers. Mr. Mac have compiled a few pictures. When Mr. Mac was living in the United States, I have some pictures about snow. We're going to see some snow, alright? Here it is, the first picture. Oh, look at that. That's Mr. Mac's first snowman. When I was in the United States first time, and I built a snowman, and it is really cold. And you can see that you have to wear gloves and have to wear dressed up really warm, because the temperature is below 0 degrees. When Mr. Max says below 0 degrees, that means it will be what? Negative. See that? So we're using the negative number. So it will be like a negative 5 degrees. If it goes below than that, it will be negative 10 degrees Celsius. See that? Okay. Look at the next one. Mr. Max playing with the snow. Look at that. Okay. And then let's go to the next one. That's Mr. Max's chair that I sit outside. That's my Mr. Mac's backyard. Mr. Max said, look at that, covered with snow. And the next picture, that one is the squirrel. Now during the winter time, they do hibernate, but they also come out look for food. Okay, so the next one, look at that, that's the backyard, all covered with snow. And now look at that, that one is below 0 degrees Celsius. It's a negative 5, or it could be negative 10 degrees Celsius. Okay, now as the temperature increase from negative 5 and then it goes to negative 4, negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, and then 0 degrees Celsius, and then 1, 2, 3, and look at that. Next picture, see that? You start seeing leaves start coming because the grounds get warmer. The trees that lost all the leaves during the winter now start budding. Okay. Let's go to the next one. Look at that. You can see more leaves coming. Okay? And then let's go to the next one. Now this is pretty much the summer. Okay? Which is 27 to 30 degrees Celsius. It's really nice and warm. And this is like a full. Look at that. All the leaves on the tree. Alright? Okay, so now you got to understand how negative is been utilized when temperature is involved. Alright? So 0 degrees Celsius is the freezing point. And when you go below the 0, which is the negative, okay, that's why you start saying all the snow, even the lakes freezes. It's kind of crazy, alright? Okay? Have you seen a lake freezes, a big lake, that whole lake was frozen? Mr. Mac used to walk on it. Like first Mr. Mac was so scared, but after a while then Mr. Mac got used to it, okay? And then the temperature increases. It becomes positive. And then it goes to like 5 degrees Celsius, 7 degrees Celsius, 10 degrees Celsius. And then as it gets warmer, the more leaves, and then the trees all start leaving. Flowers, and then start leaves coming out, things like that. Alright, my dear students, there is so much to learn. Let's head out to the board and be victorious. And I will see you at the board. Bye-bye.